What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review. Now, you know how I like my cases, and my MacBook is no exception. This is the UAG plasma cover for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. Let's check it out. So this case is, I just picked this one up from UAG, from their website, Urban Armor Gear. This is the Plasma series. Now this case is the same as the phone series that they have for the iPhones, the Notes, any model that you have. Let's run through a few features about this case first. Now you notice right around here, you got these vents on the back. So if you see those vents, they're right there on the back. They're going to allow the computer to be able to breathe, not get so hot. Now you have this strap. Now this is not a piece of fabric. There is microfiber right here, but on the outside you get a leather-like cloth material. We'll talk about that a little bit later and the purpose that it serves. You get a hard outer shell. You get clamps right here. This is plastic, so if you spill anything, it's not going to get wet. Your computer isn't going to get wet. It has these little feet on the bottom right here. So if you can see those feet on the bottom, with those feet, it's going to allow it to be stable once you put it down on a table. So it's not going to do a whole lot of moving, a whole lot of sliding. You get your UAG branding right here. This front is hinged. So once we get the computer in here, it's gonna snap around it. Now you have your cutouts for your USB Type-C ports on the side, and all we have left to do now is actually get it on the MacBook Pro. So in order to get this installed, what we're going to do is we're going to take the MacBook, set it to the side, and we're going to take the case and we're going to open it up just like so. Now since we have the case open, we're going to start by placing in the bottom first. So I like to open this up, make sure we get it right side. You want your ports to be in the back facing these. I'm going to open that up and start dropping these in. You want to make sure you hear it snap going all the way around. So we have it in there. It's nice and flush, and you can see how everything lines up. Right around the front, on the side over here, you can see how everything matches up. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this top on. So as you notice, top is a little flimsy at first. What we're going to do is we're going to line all this up. So just lay your MacBook back in there. And we're going to get these snapped on. Top snaps on. Then your sides. Just like so. When you get everything snapped on nice and neat, then you can close it. And we talked about these at the front. They're going to snap shut. That allows you to have no room to wiggle or loose. Your MacBook Pro 13-inch is fully enclosed. It is fully protected. And you actually, now, the back that you thought was a little flimsy, that connects them, it can act as a handle. So you can carry your tablet just like this. You have a nice leather like grip right here. You get a nice experience with this case. I like to protect my devices, and this is one of the best investments that I made for my MacBook Pro. I've been waiting on a case that's going to give me the durability, that is nice and lightweight, that gives me something to hold on to, and it looks really nice too. People are going to be saying like, hey, what's that you have on your computer? It's a UAG. Unlatch it, open it up, computer comes on. You don't lose any functionality. Everything works well, and you get a great case to boot. You can pick these up on their website, uag.com. Look for the plasma cases. This case is going to run you about $70, but it's well worth the investment on this piece of machinery. So I hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. And Average Tech Guy out. Peace.